Hey guys, my name is Chris. Thanks for checking out the video with me today. So what we're going to talk about is your displays and how you can change them. So what you can do is you can go down to the 3 lines here, and in some of the cars it won't be a 3 line, there'll be like a gear over here. For you, you're going to touch the gear, but the idea is you're going into that setup, and then you're going to see content, you're going to go over to layout or head-up display if your vehicle is equipped with that. But essentially for the content, you are going to scroll through this list and you are going to control whatever it is you want to see directly in front of you. That is what is going to be there. So if you want to have, you know, let's say assisted view, you're going to push in and you're going to lock that in there. That's what's going to be there. Then we can touch the 3 lines again. We can make it a smaller view. We can make it larger. We can make it the largest. That's called the gallery layout. And then the head up, you have different adjustments there as well that you're only going to see up there. But that's pretty cool. But that's how you control what you see directly in front of you. This is a little bit different than our prior operating systems in iDrive 7, where you where, you know, there's limited things you can change. But this is pretty cool that you have this much flexibility. So again, my name is Chris. Hopefully this has been helpful. Please make sure you're subscribed so you can always stay up to date with the latest content. And as always, stay healthy and safe out there.
Thank you.